appreciated.
And notice when the grab bar was assembled that the holes were placed one on each side and one on the end in order for the bolt heads to be easily accessible with a screwdriver. You know,
It's carbide or if it's some sort of diamond composite, but it's a tile bit, 3/8 inch,
yeah.
because of the hinge and the toggle. I didn't make a mark in the tile other than just pencil here because I didn't want to subject it to any impact and risk cracking it.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to guide it by hand.
See how tough that is.
And
oh, it went through.
not sure what's back there, but something.
Something metal.
Pretty simple, convenient way to do it.
The toggle bolt anchors have been inserted. Notice that the hole on the far left has been left open so a screw can be placed in the metal stud.
The one that's closest to the corner
Uh-huh.
it's not hollow behind, so it's going to take a different threaded fastener. But no, that's good. That's clear now.
Are you pulling back on that to get those to
Just a little bit, just so the toggle doesn't spin on the other side.
and hold the screw? Isn't that wow? Snip.
That hole's got something solid. I drove a screw into it. It seems to be some solid building material.
Good, all right.
So yeah, that should do it. Just a thread.
So you're gonna pre-drill it?
Just here with my drill motor. Oh, there we got into something. So that might have been a steel stud.
Yeah.
Where was that hole? There it is. This is like a triple bevel. There's a little dimple in the edge of that mounting plate there.
Oh yeah.
This is a tension.
Job well done, huh? Thanks a lot.
Thanks.